Living in West Jordan, Utah, means experiencing all four seasons, from warm summers to snowy winters. Whether you're updating a cozy home, remodeling a small bathroom, or enhancing a compact apartment, Awning Windows offer the perfect blend of function and style for small spaces. Their unique design, energy efficiency, and space-saving benefits make them a top choice for West Jordan homeowners looking to maximize comfort without compromising on aesthetics. If you're exploring window options for tight areas or tricky spots in your home, here's why Awning Windows could be the ideal solution. Compact design for tight spaces. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, forming an awning shape when open. This design makes them incredibly space efficient. Unlike sliding or casement windows that need room to swing sideways or vertically, awning windows don't interfere with interior furnishings or exterior walkways. This makes them ideal for above kitchen sinks or countertop, basements or laundry room, small bathrooms for ventilation, tight hallways or nooks. They provide the light and airflow you want without taking up valuable real estate. Great for year-round ventilation. West Jordan's climate can vary dramatically throughout the year, but awning windows are up to the challenge. One of their standout benefits is that they can remain open even during light rain thanks to their downward opening design. This makes them perfect for year-round ventilation. Want fresh air during a spring drizzle? No problem. Need a breeze in the summer without letting in water? Awning windows handle it effortlessly. They're a go-to choice for keeping your home fresh without compromising on weather protection. Energy efficiency for West Jordan weather. Given Utah's warm summers and chilly winters, energy efficiency is key. Awning windows often have tight seals when closed, which helps prevent drafts and improves insulation. When fitted with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, awning windows can contribute to lower utility bills and a more comfortable home. In smaller spaces where heating and cooling fluctuations can be more noticeable, that extra efficiency goes a long way. Privacy without sacrificing natural light. Small spaces like bathrooms, mudrooms, or walk-in closets often need ventilation but also demand privacy. Awning windows can be installed higher on the wall, allowing in natural light and fresh air without compromising your privacy. Frosted or textured glass options are also available, adding an extra layer of discretion while still letting daylight pour in. This makes them ideal for functional, light-filled privacy zones throughout your home. Sleek and modern appearance. Today's awning windows are not just practical, they're also stylish. Available in a wide variety of frame colors, hardware finishes, and configurations, they fit beautifully into both modern and traditional West Jordan homes. Their streamlined look works especially well in minimalist or space-conscious design schemes. You can even pair awning windows with fixed-picture windows to create dramatic, panoramic views with ventilation at the bottom. Durability that withstands Utah's elements. Awning windows are built with sturdy, weather-resistant materials, such as fiberglass, vinyl, or aluminum-clad wood. This ensures they stand up to West Jordan's snow, sun, and everything in between. High-quality ceiling systems and easy-to-use hardware mean they remain functional and secure year after year, even in fluctuating temperatures. Final thought. For homeowners in West Jordan, Awning Windows offer a smart, space-conscious solution that doesn't compromise on quality, comfort, or style. Whether you're outfitting a small bathroom, creating airflow in a tight hallway, or just looking for a window that performs well in all seasons, Awning Windows are a versatile and energy-efficient option worth considering. Ready to enhance your small spaces? Contact a trusted local window expert to explore the best awning window options for your West Jordan home and enjoy the perfect combination of form and function.